Yo, mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Tuwang Vlog. Sa akin, pabibe!
Pabibe! And...
Pabibe! Ha?
Metro! Walang reaction.
Guys, papunta kami ngayon sa shopping center kasi
Bibili tayo ng Christmas tree!
it's December 1 ngayon. So, we're gonna set up for Christmas sa bahay. So, Nitro will experience Christmas dito sa Australia na naman. Yes, because his first Christmas was also here when we got here December 15 last year.
Grabe,
Diba?
1 year
So, wala
ago.
pa siyang Pasko sa Pinas.
Wala pa.
This will be his second Pasko.
Malamig ang simoy ng hangin.
Wow!
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Big na ikaw, baby. Yes, you are. Look at you. You're very long na. You're not like mommy. Mommy is short. Are you sleepy? Are you chilling lang? Nitro, can you say, Tita? Aba. Pero mo. Aba, hindi ako pinapansin ng bebeng yan. Tita. Tito. Lolo. Lola. Oh. Are we buying a Christmas tree? Sige na, let's go, Nitro, let's go! Grabe, ang daming tao dito. Kaka-park lang namin. Kasi matagal kami nakahanap ng parking.
Sige, buddy.
Wala yan sa Shangri-La.
Oo nga eh. Mas okay sa Shangri-La yung decoration nila. No?
Pag Pasko, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi mas maraming ganyan, di ba?
True.
True. Ito yung map ng shop. Nandito tayo ngayon sa entrance.
Ito.
No, tree ang hinahanap.
Christmas tree,
Ano lang kasi ano lang o $8. Anong color ng Christmas tree gusto mo? Gusto mo ng green Christmas tree?
Yeah, green is good. Bakit?
Kung gusto mo ng white Christmas?
Ewan ko. Go.
Kasi kinang lang kita mag-decide, mausilutin we can put this one. Diba? Around the Christmas tree, sugad. Wow, Nitro, look! He needs to walk around.
Wow, what's that? Ooh.
Let's go, find the tree.
Okay, where's the tree?
There. Do you like that?
Newington Mix Christmas tree.
Alam nyo, mas
Nitro.
mura sa Kmart.
Look.
75 dito, sa Kmart 49 lang. Uy, may ano pa Gusto mo ito? Nitro, look. You can buy this one, Liwat. May chocolate inside or a big Ferrero one. Kasing laki ng ulo mo, Nitro. Look. Yes, it's as big as your head. You wanna see it? You wanna look at it? Oh, ang hirap. Nitro, look, it's as big as your head. Wag, baka masira mo. How about if we get this tree? Oh, $12 lang. This one. Diba? Let's get this one.
Oh yeah, luxury tinsel.
How long is it?
It is 5 meters. That'll do.
So
But it's only white. It's like lame.
Huh?
Like what about like red?
Gusto
and
mo
stuff like that?
colorful?
Yeah.
There's here, this one.
Ganon. Yung gold, yung pula.
Itong dalawa.
You wanna hold them, Nitro? Yes, you hold them. You hold them.
He doesn't like it.
That's
So anong color na gusto mo? Pati ang balls. This one la.
Yep. It's good. You want this one? You like this one, Nitro? Yeah, you like that one. Hey.
Duha atong palkuhaon.
No, I just one. One will do.
That's so guti ay, mga balls.
So,
Yes.
what? You go 1, 2, 3.
Or you want combination of big and small ones? That would be awesome.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you get the small ones. They look pretty cool.
Big and small, di ba, Masa?
Sige.
Yeah, mas maupay nga daw.
Yeah.
Kay combination nito nga tanong.
You wanna hold these ones as well, Nitro? Yes? So yun yan. Alright, tara na. Kmart na.
Tara.
Bili tayo ng tree.
Uy, bayaran mo muna yun.
Oh, syempre.
Let's go, Nitro. Ayan, babayaran na po natin ang mga kinuha natin. Ayan, so babayaran na natin. I have a bag. Ito.
Bags? Ano yan?
Ito. Ayan na, Nitro! Yay! May tita ka!
Ano po? 18 months.
Hi, baby! Ikaw! How are
19
you?
months, diba?
13.
wow.
Wow, you're big!
You wanna go play?
Oh, be careful, Nitro. Favorite niya. Oh. Bibili lang ako.
Sige, sige.
Ala, yan na. Laro na.
Oo, naglalaro na. You having fun, Nitro? Hey! You having fun? Nasa sariling mundo na siya. Whoa!
This beautiful life.
Especially because you're hungry.
Gusto mo sushi? Alright.
Nag-enjoy ikaw, Nitro? Ha? Nag-enjoy ikaw?
Oh, Audrey.
Hello, baby Audrey.
6 months siya.
6 months old siya. Mga Advanta fam sila, di ba?
Yes. Uy, mahulog ka.
Uy, anong ginagawa mo, baby?
We have the same brand of food.
That's Adelaide.
Ah, ito ka.
Whoa! Say, wow! Wow! Look, Nitro. Wow! That's where Santa sits. It's Santa, Nitro. Look, it's Santa. Come on, let's go. Hi, how are you? Hi, Nitro, it's Santa.
Show mo yan. Show mo yan.
Good night to you, Santa. And nasa Kmart na tayo. Ah, those ones. Oh, may mga dokot. Tingnan mo, oh, may masusay pero mas mahusay ang mga bowls.
Yeah, the
Bigger ones. Gold
The bowls
ones.
are bigger.
Rose gold.
bowls bigger came out.
Oh, yeah.
So you want gold bowls?
Yeah, gold.
And you have
This
slides.
one.
Huh?
This one nga gold.
Oh yeah, but that's not big.
Ah, you want big ones. This one. So, bili tayo ng malaki. Para may malaki, maliit.
Malaking gintong itlog. Tapos, eto. $10 battery-powered lights. Para maramdaman natin ang espiritu ng Pasko, Char. May mga CD pa dito ni Jose Marichan. May mga CD ba dito ni Jose Marichan? Wala eh.
Nitro.
Wala. Patay ang Pasko pag wala si Jose.
Waray na. Nitro. Nakahanap na tayo ng Christmas tree. Nasa box. Tapos, ako bumili ako ng pajama bottoms.
And this one here.
Adi, dahil
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata. Natutulog na po si Nitro. So, ngayon uwi na po tayo. And we're going to set up that Christmas tree.
Kawawa naman ang bebe. Tingnan niyo.
Nitro! Yeah, ooh, you got the Christmas lights. Hey, and we also got that Christmas tree. Woohoo! Yeah! Binubugbog mo ang Christmas tree, ano? Yes! Binubugbog yan! Okay, Dwaine fam, we have a Christmas tree na, di ba? May Christmas tree na tayo, baby, ano? Yes, we do. Yeah, hey! Yan siya! So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna set it up. Pero susunod na vlog yan. So abangan. Abangers kayo dyan. Alright, baby, you say bye! Bye! Yeah, bye!